Good morning, sir.
Morning. Why do the both of you crawl into my class?
Sir, because you said never in our life we walk into the class late.
So we decided to crawl in.
You already know the punishment. On your knees.
Excuse me, sir. You promised never to walk into your class late again.
Sir, our father did not come back yesterday, so we decided to know his whereabouts.
Stop all those jargons. Shut up! If I'm leaving you, it's not because of these flimsy excuses, but because you are the most clever in this class. Now take your seat. Like I was saying, the Greek name for amber is electron. What did I say?
The Greek name for amber is electron.
Again?
The Greek name for amber is electron.
Santa, what did I say?
The Greek name for amber is electron.
Good. Let's us proceed. The Greek...
Sir?
Yes.
What's of the French name for amber?
I am not your French teacher.
But sir, I mean, stand the chance of telling us the French name for that.
Ferrere, I am not your French teacher. Sit down. The Greek name.
Good morning, you're up already.
Oh yes, we don't want what happened yesterday to repeat itself.
But I told you kids to forget about your father and go to school. You insisted on going to look for him. Now you've seen the consequences now. Una body go rest.
Mama, how do you expect us to feel if we have not seen our father for complete 2 days?
So you don't know your father again?
We know.
Where is he now?
I went inside this. Probably he must have gone out as usual. You know my papa.
Said it. Gambling, eating and sleeping. That's all he's good at. But I swear, this man, he's not going to kill me in this house. Anyway. He's not going to kill me. Anyway, just put these things together and I'll make your breakfast and then we'll all live together.
Mama, take it easy.
Santo, Pepe, are you ready for school now?
Yes, Mama. We're about to go.
Mom, our principal said he would like to see you concerning our forthcoming school certificate examination.
Mama, I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem at all, my son.
I'm not comfortable with your sudden change.
I'm all right, my son. I'm okay. I will see him. I will go to the school and see him. Okay. You're leaving now. Yes. Bye-bye.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Mama, thank you.
Come back home early, oh.
Okay, Mom.
You know, the worst is that from day to day, week to week, month to month, year to year, Papa doesn't think about how to work and make money. Nothing like that comes into his mind.
At all. All he does is to remain stagnant and depend on Mama to do everything.
You know, I pity that woman. I pity her mother. She has taken the whole responsibilities. Look, it is the duty of our father to fend for the family.
Can you imagine? He don't even think about his family. He can't even do his work as a man. All he does is to loaf around, drink, gamble.
There's a very big problem in this house.
Of course.
That means we have to tighten up academically.
Tighten up? Where is the money to tighten?
Don't worry, Santa. We'll strive. Don't worry.
Tighten up.
We'll strive.
That's the only thing we can do.
Don't you get something to Benji? They say that the idle brain is the devil's workshop. All I'm saying is, try and get something doing before something happens.
What will happen?
You don't know what will happen.
I don't know. That's why I say you should tell me. What will happen?
Benji.
Jimben.
Why is it that advising you is like pouring water into a basket?
Forget the basket. What will happen to the water? The water.
You don't know what will happen to the water.
I don't know, so you tell me.
Benji.
Don't address me that way anymore. My friend, you call me Ogaben. I paid your dowry, my friend. How come we see?
Why now, eh? Get something to do. Look for something. I'm afraid something bad might happen.
What will happen? We are still running around this. What will happen?
Papa.
Yes, Mama?
Something will happen.
Like what?
Papa.
Mama?
Or if you don't find yourself a job and start doing something tangible, this house will collapse and fall.
Let it fall. Let it fall. Even 10-story buildings fall. My friend, WTC, when they bombed it, it fell. So let this one fall. You hear me? I don't care. Imagine. Why did I bring you into this world? Is it not for people to help the family? Eh? Let it fall. But I've accomplished something. I married your mother with money, almost 20,000 naira. Change they have not even given to me yet. And I took physical exertion to bring two of you into this world. In fact, you almost killed her. We didn't know you people had. One was sneaking out from the right stomach, one from the left. We had to force you out. She almost went to cesarean operation. Let it fall. Nada.
Papa.
Mama.
Does it end in giving birth to children?
Yeah, it ends at burying them.
Why not find something to do so that you can train your children?
I will aeroplane them, not even train.
Me, I have tried my best to. I've talked to you the way a wife should talk to her husband.
It's okay. I'm not causing trouble now. Okay, it's okay. What type of work do you want me to do? Doctor, engineer, pilot, 747 Boeing.
There are many things that you will do now.
I suggest.
There is bricklayer, carpenter, even
a local
Even a bus conductor.
yes.
Or Jelebas and Fear.
Okay. One. It's no local.
dry cleaner.
Yeah, like washerman.
Bus conductor.
Very good. Kitipa babu nunto. Now. Kitipa bari unu no. Nkita le follow nunse. Ngwele, nkoke ngwele. Nyama on one by one. Mwa. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, don't worry. I will do it. I will do it.
Thank you.
I can even attempt the robbery too if you want.
Anyway, I've already advised you the way a wife will advise her husband.
Oh God, I have agreed.
Okay.
What happened there? Wow, Susan.
Okay, let me go and bring our food so that we can
Go
eat
and
and
prepare it
sleep.
first. The tea is still on fire there. Very good to bring it.
Yeah, man.
Carpentry work, you are large enough to make 2 5x7 bed or cot bed. What time you going to see the gun man? Going, Mama, because not carpenter, because a washerman.
In some cases, you have to use your IQ. That is your intelligence quota in answering some questions. Because most of English questions comes in riddles. For example, the word rapist, R-O-I-P-S. Who can reconstruct this word for us? Rapist. We've answered before. Santos.
Rapists can be reconstructed by moving the letters.
How?
Substituting the letter R for P.
Substituting the letter R for P.
The letter P for R.
Then P for R. This is what we have.
To form a word Paris, which is a state in France.
Clap for him. To form the word Paris. To have the word what?
Paris.
Which is a state where?
France.
Another example. If I say that night falls to usher the break of dash. Who can complete this for us? Night falls to usher the break of what? Who? Chima.
You say night falls to usher the break of day.
Night falls to usher the break of day. This is partially correct. Who else can try? Who else? Ferrere.
You say night falls to usher the break of dawn.
Good. Clap for him. Night falls to usher the break of dawn. This is perfectly correct. Can as well say the dawn of a new day. In every English question, there's always a word or a sentence that answers it perfectly correct. So what you take your time before you answer any question. Think of the one that answers it perfectly correct. Now, lest I forget, the principal said I should remind you, for those of us who have not paid for their SSCE exams, for us to try and pay before the closing date. The closing date is fast approaching. The closing date is fast approaching. So you try and pay before the closing date. There might not be any late entry this time around. Oh, that's nice. Let me also use this privilege to introduce to us our new games master and chief coach in the person of Coach Mario Johnson Ntagwem.
Sit down, God bless you. As you all know, my name is Mr. Mario Johnson, your new game master and the chief coach for the school team. I'm going to take you through some sport training, football in particular, where I will throw more light on the football techniques, skills in soccer. Thank you, that is just it. I'm also going to tell you how the great psychologist related psychology, Bible and Football, in his book titled Psycho-Biblical Footballicography. He said, and I quote, "Football is my shepherd. I shall not want. It leads me to score penalty. It restores my goal. It leads me to pass like JJ Okocha for his name's sake. Even though I walk through the midst of 10 players, I must have one free kick. For Kano system is with me. If they prepare a free kick before me in the presence of my opponent, I fear no keeper. God anointed my head with ball control. Surely, shooting and scoring shall follow me, and I shall tear the net like Rashid Yekini forever and ever." Amen. Are you ready for me?
Yes.
Are you surely ready?
Yes.
We'll see in the field.
That will be all for now. So you get ready for your next lecture. Thank you.
I say nothing. You don't talk to me anyhow.
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think you're going? Shameless man. Shameless man like you. Tell me, where do you think you're going to?
What about you? You should be ashamed too. Because you are the shameless wife of waiting. You are a shameless wife of a shameless man. Nonsense. If you do like this to me again, I'll slap you.
Woo! Shameless man like you. What are you going to do? Just look at you. You cannot even take care of your family. You're just going up and down, walking from one place to another, gambling. Just look at you. Loafer like you.
Bessie Luma Kriga. Did I hear you call me loafer?
Yes. What will you do?
L-O-A-F-E-R.
What will you do?
I will destroy you.
What will you do?
I will squeeze you.
What will you do? What will you do?
What will you do? You don't have to fight with Papa like that. You don't even know who he is.
He's a shameless man.
Excuse me, Mama. You know that Papa is the type that doesn't take advice from any person.
He believes that whatever he does the best. So
Papa, good dance.
Oh,
Good
so
dance,
you monkeys are supporting this baby elephant for fighting
Why
me?
will they not support me? Tell me why they will not support me. I know what to do. As from today, you will stop eating in this house. Let me see how you will raise your dirty, scruffy-looking hands on me again.
talk like that.
Let's go inside. We want something to tell the
Go and tell her whatever I want to tell her. As for eating, let me come back. You hear me? I know how to get my food.
Papa, look at what you're doing now.
Will you go inside before I release you from the earth? Hey!
Benji na real lazy man, na lazy man. Benji na real unaka, na lazy man. Benji na real lazy man, na lazy man. Benji na real unaka.
Mama,
Have you gone to see our principal?
Yes. I actually went to see him yesterday.
Mama, our principal dropped an information to those of us that have not registered for their SSC. Mama, he said that the closing date is fast approaching and that we should do something.
Yes, Mama.
I am really trying my best to see that I raise that 14,000 for your SSCE. I just hope that very soon everything will be okay and then I can pay for your SSCE exams.
Mama, try, leave Papa out of this and God will provide for us.
Amen.
Please try. Mama, looking at the present situation of things, if we continue folding our hands and watch only you struggle to raise this family, we'll end up not sitting for our school certificate examination.
God forbid, Nwam. God forbid. You will sit for your SSE exams. See, I'm already working on something. It's just that business has been quite slow these days. But you don't have to worry about that.
Mama, that reminds me. Santos and I have decided to engage ourselves into some of these menial jobs, to enable us see if we can raise a little money. I mean, with the one you give to us, so that we'll be able to pay for our SSCE.
See, the problem I have with you doing business, I don't want you to do something that will be too heavy for you. You still have to go to school. You've not finished yet.
Mama, the hustling will not stop us from going to school. We still do the hustling after school hours.
Mama, we'll do it. We'll go to school from Monday to Fridays. On Saturdays after going to field and coming back, maybe in the evening. In fact, we'll be going to all this our field work from Monday to Friday. That will be after school hours, like he said. Immediately we come back from school, we can now just change from a school uniform and you know what I mean.
Anyway.
I believe we can help at least pay one for our SSC and secondly, helping the family.
Okay. All right. You have my blessings, I give my blessings.
Well, it's not completely business. It does not mean that we're going to leave our school works to school. Just do that maybe Saturdays we'll come back from school. Sometimes we don't have any good thing doing in the school, just come back and go to the road. Because
that would be okay now. I give you my blessings.
Well, thank you.
God will bless you, my children. You just stay and finish up your homework, eh? Let me tidy up what I'm doing in the kitchen.
Well, as other students go on break, I, as your game master, thought it wise to teach you one or two things in sports, especially soccer. You see, soccer is the most popular sport in the world today. And it was believed to have been played by ancient Greece and Rome. You see, the aim is to get the ball across your opponent's goal line. In soccer, teamwork, techniques, and skills are very, very important to force your opponent to play nonsense.
I mean, this is ridiculous. How can you force your opponent to play nonsense?
To force your opponent to play nonsense, you strike them with counter-attack and you disorganize them. You see, my dear, in soccer, you have stamina A, stamina B, stamina C, and stamina D. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Two of you look alike. Are you brothers?
Yes, sir.
Good. I quite admire your wit and intelligence. Please, keep it up.
Thank you, sir.
So, class, you can now go and break. So, like I said, I'm going to teach you 12 techniques of soccer. Then after that, we go out and practice it one after the other. You understand?
Yes, sir.
And of course, these techniques are dribbling, heading, ball control, passing and blocking. When you block, you kick. Kicking, then positional play. Of course, you still have shooting. Then goalkeeping. All this I'm talking about, you must have total concentration. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
Now let's go out and practice. Come on. Next. Ferrari, may I have you here, please?
want it well.
This job not easy at all.
How much is it?
7,000.
730.
How much have you made?
My own is 110.
And what is your gain so far?
My gain is 14 naira. I bought this bag 17 naira. Yes, so I have to get another one bag now.
You know, I deposited 500 naira to the man before he gave me a bag of this. Yes, and I have 730 naira. But that means before the end of the day, I'm hitting 1,200 naira. In fact, nothing less than that.
Yeah, Papa get the road, say.
What you
the one 1,000 only if they say gala.
Why?
Wait. Yes. I won't sleep. When I wake, when you won't play, you wake me up.
Okay, this is not a matter of sleeping. Play a game, I'm playing.
Okay, Benji,
please
happen.
Watch out.
I'm sorry,
Watch out the game.
No, Joro, you won't do.
Joro. Yeah.
Hey.
Yes.
Hey, okay, Benji, just do it like this. Just.
I block.
Let me concentrate. Hell. When you want go right, you go do like say you want go left.
This is not a matter of singing. Play game.
Now from here, now I won't deal with you from this side.
Play game.
They watch me. They watch my movement too. This is classical Singapore. You see, on do I have trois. This thing is called Queen Benji.
Why are you laughing now? Because you go cram. If you like, carry half of this board.
You remain the same time. Play.
I'm winning you.
Play now. You see nothing. I don't look. I don't pass here. Give up. Give up.
Don't worry. I'll wait till next time.
Wait. The money now. Should be
money.
We bet now. Money now. Do you want? Wait the other one.
My friend, sit down.
Bring this in there. Argue for craft again. Not to make it 200 the next one.
200. Okay, no problem. Oh yeah.
Where your money now?
Don't worry. They are credit in business. Now.
Okay. You go, oh my God, punish you. Now who are the days?
Next! Benji a real lazy man.
When you want go right, you go do like say you want go left.
Me, now you no go win. Where are you?
Say na me and you.
I beg, I know they play with you.
How much you bet?
I beg, get away, Joe.
Benji a real knocker.
Pull your shirt.
Lazy man.
Hey, big boy.
worries.
Hold on, sir.
Yeah. Have you finished?
Let me put this in for you.
Okay. How much is it?
Those in and out.
You guys did a great job. Okay, take it. Thank you so much.
But thank you.
Yeah.
Allah, I remember to call some other customers for us.
I will.
God bless you. Bring more customers.
Wait. Pull your shirt now.
No problem. I have 15 naira here.
This what?
Hey, I'm here. Simon, what do you want? 15 naira. My friend, get out. You don't get money. Now 15 naira, you think see money don't land. Stand up.
Come on. This is not a small picking game.
You say how much? You say we are playing?
200.
I have to. I can even play 500.
Okay, let's make it 5.
Eh?
5.
No, my food money is here. Don't worry. Let's start with 200 first.
Come on, boy. If your hand never is like
you
this.
You want play 15 naira for this ball?
Wait. If your hand never is like this, you don't go school, yeah? This is not a game for small picking.
Hide game.
Hide that money there.
My money, my money, all of them are coming back. Now, I have another assorted though.
I think...
Benji, where is the money? Where is my money?
Huh?
Where is my money?
Okay, wait now. Okay, let's agree that it is your money. Who are you? Who are you?
Don't ask me that nonsense. All I'm saying is give me my money. Give me my money, oh.
In that case, to you, don't ask me any nonsense money. As long as you are my wife, whatever belongs to you belongs to me.
Benji, this is the money I've been saving for Santo and Pepe's school fees.
Oh, is that one?
For the SSCE exams. And you've stolen the money.
How can I be a thief in my own house? You see, you have no sense. How can I be a thief in my own house? As long as I am the owner of this house, whatever I find inside this house, animate, inanimate, dead, living, breathing, breathless, they all belong to me.
Rachel, I've seen it.
All right, now, before I count 5 on those 2 cards, you leave me or I will exacerbate your face. I will restructure you. You know you are looking light now. I will paint you black with slabs. On.
Today you will know.
I will scatter your face. Oh.
Scatter my face.
No.
Scatter my face. Let me see.
Mama, it's okay now. This side. Mama, what's the problem?
Is it not your father? The money I'm keeping for your SSC exam, he has stolen it.
Oh, Papa, where is Mama's money?
It's in my central bank. I kept it for safekeeping.
Okay, Mama, did you see him when he collected the money?
I saw him when he took the money and he chuckled it into his inner bank.
I took it to my central bank for safekeeping. If you boys are even lucky that you advised her to leave my Brazilian shirt, there would have been earthquake here. There would have been serious accident, live and direct. You don't know me?
Papa, you're supposed to go out there and work like other fathers do. Why not just go there and make your own money? Papa, why not go out and work and make like other fathers do? Then I'm going to the one others suffer for.
You see that just one mouth? If you don't close now, I will just see
Mama, it's okay. Mama, please leave him. Next time you keep your money where you cannot see it.
Very simple. Keep it where I will not see it.
What Santos said is just the best. Let's go inside.
The next time you take my money, look, I will show you hell.
Our money.
I will show you hell.
Our money. First, go and pray, so that I don't see the money at all. If I see it, ma, look at the thing straight. Ma,
wait now.
are you mad? Are you my father?
Baba, be careful. Baba, be careful.
Piano. I'm old, not in physical strength. I finished the two of you.
Man, what is the matter? I don't really understand. Sometimes I begin to wonder if this is the same way our classmates suffer when jogging. Look at. I don't even have single strength. Good day, sir. Yeah, good day. Good day, sir.
Good day. What can I do for you guys? Do I know you guys from somewhere?
Yes. Some days ago, you came to our shop to wash your car.
Yes.
Okay, now I remember. So what are you guys doing? You're jogging, you play football.
We play for school. You know, most times on Saturdays like this in the morning, we'll go out for jogging, which after we'll go now for our main training.
Exactly.
Okay, that's good. The Lord is your strength. Just keep it up. Keep it up. Yeah, one love, respect. Thank you very much. Where are you?
Santos and Perez. They are smart, they are fast.
We really want to be your friend because we like everything about you. But there's one thing you've not told us.
What is that?
Your name?
You've not told us your real name.
Oh, my name. Well, my name is African China.
African China? That sounds confusing. I mean,
are you from Africa or China?
No, I'm proud to be an African. The China has something to do with my original name. So.
But no vessel. I mean, I hope you don't mind. You know, you have these looks of people from Asia. You know what I mean? The Chinchon people.
It's exactly, you know, the structure, the face, everything. It's true.
Yes.
That's funny. Well, you guys will not understand, you know. Yeah, you said you play football.
Yes, we play.
Well, I was equally a footballer too, you know, before I decided to, you know, drop and face the drum beat and go into, you know, music. Yeah. But I'm trying to put up what I do. I put up football competitions and I don't know. I have some foreign counterparts, you know, that are part of the organizations too.
Okay.
You know.
Then you can help us.
Yes.
Of course.
You can help us, really help us.
Yeah, only if I know your coach and if he's willing to take part.
His name is Mr. Mario Johnson.
Mario Johnson?
Yeah, Mr. Mario Johnson.
That name sounds familiar.
Do you know him?
Yeah. I know him. He used to be my coach when I was still a footballer.
I mean, that settles the whole thing.
All right. Well, no problem. I will talk to them. And I'll see what we can do.
Okay. No problem. Please, we're interested. Please, do anything you can do to help us. We're interested.
Just feel relaxed, yeah?
Thank you.
Let them get you something to eat.
Are you married?
Sorry?
Benji na real lazy man, na lazy man. Benji na real loco, na lazy man. Benji na real lazy man, na lazy man. Benji na real loco, na lazy man. You know fit work, you know fit go to school, you know fit work, you be sit down dey look. Monkey they walk, oh, baboon they chop, oh. Monkey they walk, they baboon they chop, oh. Benji you be lazy man, oh. Nah, lazy man. Benji you be lazy man.
Today na today, oh. We go dance it, oh. Today, oh. We go dance it, oh. Ego no wa. We go dance it, oh. Today na. Hey.
Santos and they are smart, they are fast, they are bright, they are wise, they are always the first and never the last. They are the best and never to be. They are Santos.
Okay.
something, increase the fun, increase the fun.
I'm feeling hot.
I'm all loose, man. I better take a miss you. That's a good break.
Maybe.
I'm so tired. Hi. I mean, if you want to fetch water for yourself, please mind. Definitely love.
I keep that one, we eat this one. Take it and buy something. I'll give.
Mama, don't do anything now. Unless you want to buy Mama some put him that small boy name.
I use it to buy this thing to wash clothes now and buy soap to take our bath.
Which soup?
You use the 10 naira.
Listen, can't do anything with it.
No, buy the
you
buy
would have
detergent.
brought that this in now.
No, this one will buy detergent now. 20 naira detergent. Buy detergent. This one 17 naira. Buy soap.
Nah, my go off. I beg. Ah, push it. Mrs. Abi, I read that. My friend.
So this man has not stopped this nonsense.
You're asking questions. He is getting worse each day. These days, what he does is to sit back at home, wait for the wife's money to arrive, then he still sits.
I pity those intelligent children who strive very hard to survive.
I wonder why this goat, this sheep called Benji, should give birth to those intelligent children. Sentos and Perere. Very intelligent children.
I just pray God will help them. Wow.
I pray. I wish they were my children.
Mama, you are not jealous. I'm not okay with you.
You're my daughter. You are intelligent.
Yes, mommy.
Mama, talk to us now. Can't you share your problems with us?
Let him come back here tonight. Let him come back here today. If he does not return all my jewelries for me.
You mean Papa?
For him to come here.
Papa took your jewelries.
Don't mind him. He stole my jewelries. What have I done to this man?
It's nothing. It's okay.
Waiting for him to come back here today.
Where's the way to number 41? That's my house.
You don't need to fight him in order to get him.
He's drunk. There's nothing you can do. I mean, he has been possessed by the spirit of alcohol. Okay.
6 of you versus me. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are hiding behind. I'm seeing you. 6. Let's go around the pass now.
Papa, you are drunk again.
It's what?
You are drunk.
Your father is drunk, not me.
Okay. How many?
That's capital of Nigeria. They draw him.
How many fingers?
I thought they say capital.
It's very easy. Show it where, 40. 44. You're not the man of my friend. Yeah, don't brush all of it. I kick you now. Okay?
When he's drunk.
What have I gotten myself into?
Mama, it's okay. There's nothing you can do to bring him back to sanity.
Hi, Mom. Mom. I've always known to be a witch.
Now you have started the war. You have warned me. Nonsense. Oneism is now going to start in this house.
Papa is talking.
Never you warn me again.
To make him say.
All right, I want to eat. I want to eat. Bring my food.
Let's go inside. Supposed to get over all these things. Stop crying. I don't like this. Stand up. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. Forget about him. Let's go inside.
Can't pass here. Okay, block it. I blocked the road. I can't pass here. You can't pass here. I'm not going. Where is your door? Ma'am, come here. Okay, you can pass.
Oh, look at what you did.
I'm one man again. You have turned to spirit. Oh, yeah. Give me food and 2 pieces of meat, like the children. You can mold the 2 children, bring them meat. Mata go around.
Please, okay. You bear with me for a moment. Let me go and get you for you, please. Check for one.
No problem. Look, you can just keep the change. I like hardworking, good people like you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
You've done so well.
Trust me, ma.
So, who could believe that you and Santos could do a Baba's job?
Now you can believe us, right?
Of course, I believe. So, what would you call this time?
You know, you are a gentleman.
Of course.
So, this one is called attitude.
Attitude?
Attitude, yes.
Attitude. I like that. Let me give you a minute. Yeah.
Okay, let me get
No, don't bother. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye, sir. Perere. Satolo. Perere. Boy, just within 13 days of training. It's just a simple thing. You just shave here and trim it. That's all. Hey. You know what? When Ogulugo comes back, Ogugo will never wait. You are. Santos, I will even shave his hair.
You're not going to shop?
No, Mama, you know today is Saturday. We are going for our normal school training.
Oh, yes, I forgot. So, when are you coming back?
You're coming back in the afternoon. Then we'll go to the shop.
Be very careful in school when you're playing. I don't want both of you coming back with broken leg or broken hand.
No, Mama.
So let me get to the shop.
All right, bye.
Come on. Come on, double up.
I will say thank you for recognizing my voice's talents. And this time, we also appeal to you that please help to develop their football career. I mean, talk to your foreign partners how they can come in and help, especially these forthcoming competitions you talked about. I really want you to help, and I really thank God that you are here this time.
Yeah, you see, Mario, talking about football, I don't know if they want to take it as a profession or something else, but what about their education? What is going to happen to the education? Are they going to drop their education?
No, I mean, you see, we've never, thought about stopping our education.
Yes, sir.
Presently, we've been running around to get us some money to pay for our SSC. And heaven knows, education is our first priority.
Yes. That is true. They will take football as a profession, but then the education first.
Thank you, Coach.
Well, Mario, Oh, you've been there for me now.
Skippo! Skippo.
I can do anything for
you. Thank you, Skippo. I know I can always count on you.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to the white guy. I'll try to see if I can convince him. Then you guys just put in your best. I'll do my part, and you do your part. No problem.
Skippo, that will be wonderful, and I promise they will never disappoint you. Just look at them. Come on, come on, come on.
Yes.
Chat.
Look at where, madam, you can see. I tell you, this one not be ordinary cloth. Look at you know the chair. Even if it's dirty, you pour kerosene, put matches, you go see clean. So add something now, yeah? No, anything, just add, you see? The price where they cost, so I come like say, nah, yeah, yet now I give you. So just add some. Oh, dead. That is no good though. My late wife, when she was alive, by the time much I gave her to buy these things, you'll be sorry for me.
Yeah, Oga, I'm sorry about your wife's death.
Nah, malaria kill him. Malaria.
But let me tell you the truth. Nobody can pay more than 1,500 in this place. They are fairly used. As you can see my shop, I don't sell fairly used. I just want to help you.
All right, as you could do and be say, you could just ask 100 naira, make I take Okada. You say from here to my house and back now, 110 naira. Sir. Okay, put 50 naira.
No.
Madam, you be woman, why they do? Okay, put 20.
No.
May I just put some for pocket? Okay, no. Put 10 naira.
Please, pack your clothes.
Don't do. Bring the money. So, well, if I get more, I will bring for you, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
I have it.
Santos Perere. Santos Perere.
What's up? What's up?
Yeah, this is my friend. So I brought him here for you guys to take care of him the way you took care of mine.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Where are the barbers? These guys, they are the best. They will perform magic on you. You mean these are the guys you told me about? Yes, these are the guys I told you about. Just sit.
Bros don't want to sit down. Just sit.
Come on.
You mean they can take care of
I mean, what do you want that?
Bros, tell me, what kind of person do you want?
I need to carve the hair and trade my more, you know, I need more trade on it. Please, can you do it for me?
Don't worry, bros.
Are you sure they can take
it? Bros, you keep on.
Santilo.
See your head is what did happen? I just walked out. Went away, nobody had her.
I'm around, I'm coming.
No, if you're talking about intelligent children, talk about Santos and Perere. Santos Perere. Santos Perere. If you're talking about useful children, talk about Santos and Perere. Santos Perere. When you're talking about genius in town, talk about Santos and Perere. Oh, Santos Perere. Talking about brilliant children, talk about.
Has it occurred to you that for the past 7 days now, we've not made enough money? Okay, imagine today. Look at today. Nobody has stepped into this place. How much did we make yesterday?
Today's one is worst. I don't know what is happening. I can't just explain. Why?
First, we'll make a change. We'll make a change. A fast one.
We'll make a change. What kind of change? Or do you have any business in mind?
I'm thinking of Uncle Sam's kind of business.
Uncle Sam's kind of business? Yes, you got it. But I don't know how to handle.
Don't worry. Santos, just happy. You're talking about this. You sure? You know Philip, my friend, the one that he was in my group in school.
Yes, I know.
Group A. The father has one now.
He can handle it.
Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Forgotten Parental. Hey!
I know, no problem.
Just
I'll find something to do.
She's so weak. Must we die here?
Santos and Parental. Oh, Santos Children talk about Santos and Parental. Santos Parental. When you're talking about genius in town, talk about Santos and Parental. Oh, Santos Parental. Talking about brilliant children, talk about Santos and
Yes.
Has it occurred to you that for the past 7 days now, we've not made enough money? Okay, imagine today. Look at today. Nobody has stepped into this place. How much did we make yesterday?
Today's one is worst. I don't know what is happening. I can't just explain. Why?
First, we'll make a change. A fast one.
We'll make a change. What kind of change? Or do you have any business in mind?
I'm thinking of Uncle Sam's kind of business.
Uncle Sam's kind of business? Sam. Yes, you got it. But I don't know how to handle.
Don't worry. Santos, just happy. You're talking about this. You sure? You know Philip, my friend, the one that he was in my group in school.
Yes, I know.
Group A. The father has one now.
He can handle it.
Don't worry.
Are you sure?
Forgotten Parental. Hey!
I know, no problem.
Just
I'll find something to do.
She's so weak. Must we die here?
Santos and Santos Parental. When you're talking about genius in town, talk about Santos and Parental. Oh, Santos Parental. Talking about brilliant children, talk about Santos and Parental. Santos and Parental.
That's it, Oma.
If you're talking about intelligent children, talk about Santos and
But I told both of you. I told both of you. But you won't listen. Anyway, business has its ups and downs. And you're just experiencing one right now. But you don't have to worry. I know everything is going to be all right.
Yes, Mama. Mama, you know we are just doing it to help the family.
See, Mama.
And now?
Mama, we'll have some things in our minds. But the thing is, tomorrow you see us in another action.
Of course, Mama. Don't worry, Mama. Just pray for us. We are going to surprise you.
I don't know why you children will not stop. I don't know why you will not stop. One is not working out. You're already thinking of doing another one.
Mama, don't worry.
Santo. This is 2-4. Let's go and see Uncle Sam.
Mama.
Good for you. if you know what is good for you, better go and bring my wrappers for me. Go and bring my wrappers for me, oh. Because there is nobody in this house that can do that kind of a thing except you.
Yeah. Morgana. So I am the second woman in this house now after you. Yet. So we have now become mates. I'm not a woman like you that will now start sharing clues. Oh, Chelugodo. Ha! Umuwei. Muddled brains. Maybe you are suspecting I have some concubines outside. No. I don't have even a single concubine. I am a burnt against.
All I'm saying is, wherever you kept my wrappers, go and produce them for me. If not, there will be war in this house, so.
War? This war? This house? If there's war in this house, one person must leave.
This house will not contain us.
Very good. That's why I attempted me to say that. You see me now? Let me tell you. As for war, when I flank right and flank left, you can't. Then as for contain, it is even better for you to go so that this house will contain me alone. I condescended to marry you. I'm going to go to one. Who that do two? Eh? It's going to go three. Or take I go four. And ye go now. Come on,
Mama, are you still
come on.
Let me go and bring my wrappers from you.
The truth is that Papa has become a headache. In fact, a thorn in the flesh to this family. And it is only God, it is only the grace of God that can change him. If not, Mama, if not, there will be fire on the mountain. As far as this man is concerned.
God cannot touch that kind of a man. God does not touch idle people like that. It's people that are ready for change that God can touch.
Mama, it's okay. Don't allow this to bother you. Stop disturbing yourself over this issue. Please. Mama.
Anybody that knows him should go and tell him to produce my wrappers. So,
See, actually, Kuchi, there is something I am organizing. I'm organizing a very big competition, a football match, and it's for under 14. Yes, so and that was the reason why they invited me over to come and see you.
Oh, I know you will do that because you are a very generous player.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you. Okay, boys, continue.
What's that?
Why they give up easily like this now? This last one where you play, where you no win. I know it's a mistake from your own side.
Very good. No, give me the number. 10, 14, 19. No, give me the number. 27, I mean.
No. Hey, now 21 I give you now.
Punish you 10 times 15. Okay, wait one way I do now.
Oga Benji, you know what you go do? You go house, go bring small money, come. The next one, I don't see him for vision already.
Okay, now you talk well. So what that time when they give me the ones where they fail, you never begin vision that time. Now I vision how they can enter your body. Look, you say you get sense. If I just call one day, say, Oga Ben come. You know, say we'll be friends. How you they get this money safe where they play every week? You know, ask.
Oga Ben, we know now, no be news for town, We know say monkey they walk, bamboo they chop.
Oh, me na monkey. My wife baboon because he get body. You know, yellow baboon, you know, saying yellow. All right, you know, so we good. No, you know hard. You two, go marry gorilla. Chimpanzee go to work, gorilla go to chop. Marry wife, you to begin thief money.
Oga Ben,
come play coupon.
You know what you know? This coupon why they play. The whole money why they make, they save them, make us and go marry wife.
Hey, wait. If you go marry wife, you must learn how to poach. You know, you better go poach. That's you keep entering, you just drive you thief before you sell. Then you to go marry to make you begin thief your wife home. But you're not expert for coupon. Me not expert for stealing property for wife. Any place where hide even on that bed, on that shoe. If I do know it's like this, I know where they carry out. But if you go make mistake, go marry tough wife. You go thief for money instead of evening. And nanny, they go plant something for us.
I go to wait for you.
Okay.
Benji na real lazy man, na lazy man.
Give me change. My change. Bring my change. Come on, bring my change. Come. No, I don't want. My change. No, I beg. My change. Now my change. I want. My change. Give me change. Give me change.
Did I can and that's father for friend too.
God save us.
After you bought for how much?
I bought for 500.
500. How many liters?
10 liters. 50 naira.
How many?
50 naira.
No, nah. You don't cheat them.
I cheat them.
65 naira.
65 naira. Am I lucky, man? Maybe the person was carrying it.
Santa don't take the one of the highest risk for this life.
Next time, don't try it again.
I'm supposed to change the plug, one of the plugs.
Tomorrow we do that.
Because when
I not put all the money here.
I beg.
Don't 200 naira for the plug.
What is this? No, plug man. Original plug. China na 150, original na 180. So put them 20 naira. Now, nice. I didn't guess.
What are for Opa? He don't like it.
Santo, you're not. Just because Naga bought one the other day.
I don't know that I got Opa. What is happening? Hey, my two, don't shut me.
That woman, that fat woman, how much did you collect from her?
Trust me, 100 naira.
I told you to collect money from her for 3 people.
I collected 100 naira, 30 naira, 100 naira.
That's 100 naira.
90 naira, the 10 naira, she refused to collect the change from me.
Okay, bring the 10 naira, no share. My buy.
All of them is inside here.
My buy granite.
coming from?
I went to the market, so I'm just going home now.
I was even coming from your house.
Is everything all right?
Everything is all right. But Betty, come on. So, this is what your husband does now?
Uju, I'm begging you, I beg. If this is what you called me for, let me just go home. I am sick and tired of that man. What is it? Anyway, if that is all you have to say, let me go.
No, come. You still need to hear this one. No.
Hear what now?
Yesterday, as I was coming back from Ogoji's place, you know she just returned from a child's visit. Behold, I saw your husband selling your expensive Hollandaise.
Hell, I'm finished.
Especially those ones we bought from Cotonou together.
Chimebuomo! Hell, this man will not kill me. I said this man will not kill me. Hell, my sister, take me there now. You will have to take me there, pity me.
But not today. I have something to do at home.
Hell. Okay, when now? Hell.
That should be tomorrow afternoon.
Tomorrow afternoon?
Yes.
That will be perfect. That will be good. Right. My dear, thank you very much, my sister. God bless you.
Okay, thank you.
This man.
If you're talking about intelligent children, talk about Santos and Perere. Oh, Santos Perere. Santos Perere. If you're talking about useful children, talk about Santos and Perere. Santos.
Mama.
Your father will kill me in this house one day.
What did he do?
He's been stealing my money. As if that is not enough. He's now selling my Hollandaise.
But Mama, how did you find out? How did you know?
A reliable source told me.
Please, let's go and check your box. In fact, let's ransack your box. I don't know, maybe the person that told you that he did that, it might not be true. Let's just go and take your box.
It's true, Mama.
So let's check whether it's true.
Please, let's go.
I just pray that he's there. I don't know what I've done to deserve all this. Look at the empty box. And you has killed me. Hell, what have I done to Benji? What have I done? All my clothes, all my Hollandaise are finished. There's nothing in here. What have I done to Benji to deserve all this? Help! Chime, one more!
Mama, stop crying, please. Since Auntie has promised to take us to the buyer by tomorrow, you know what I mean? He's special buyer. There's no need now. We must retrieve your Hollandaise. Stop crying.
Mama, it's okay,
Benji.
Just tomorrow, we'll go to the buyer.
Benji has not seen the last of me. Benji will make me far. Benji. I will show him Pepe.
No.
I will show Benji Pepe. I will show him Pepe. I will show him Pepe.
Mama, tomorrow is not far away from today. It's okay. Mama, don't talk like that. Let's finish our investigation first, then we'll catch you red-handed.
Okay. I will show him Pepe today.
This thing is becoming too much. This thing is really becoming too much. Papa has eaten the fat more than I can chew.
What do you want to buy? How much do you sell this?
Each of them cost 9,000 naira.
9,000?
Yes, they are Hollandis.
You must sell it now.
Yes, I have them. All of them here, they are Hollandis.
Mama, you have a blue shoe now. I think it will match that.
So, madam, our mother said,
Please, I'll be expecting you. Try and come back. Thank you.
Wait. I will wait for that man. Eh? If you don't catch him, we will not own up. I'm waiting, oh. I am waiting for that man. I will wait for him. Ah. Okay.
Here he comes. I told you people.
Hey, just take that. Is it.
This is it. Wait, no, I came to buy pure water. How much is a bag of pure water? You see, a bag of pure water is how much? You are left.
If you go over to the house, we'll meet you at home.
It's all right. We shall see.
What do you want? Why are you packing my clothes? You can't pack my clothes. Come and drop my clothes. I bet you like that. Other people's things and you are buying from me. I make business with your father.
You are a thief.
I must come and collect my money. You know what you did? I must come and collect my money. You people cannot go like that. What
You are a thief. Which money?
Give me my
Which money?
What
You are a thief. You are a shameless woman. Look at you.
I pay for those clothes. I pay for those clothes. Business. I cannot leave my money. All right, come on. The money I pay for them. The money can't go like that. Let me see. Let me see my money. First I must come. Go to my house. What do you mean? If you're not afraid, look at you. You're talking to me. Don't you know I have children? I have children like you. What do you mean? Come to the house. I have children like you. You don't have. Let me pack my things. I have children like you. Come to the house. If you don't have fear, I'm not sure you. Come. Okay now. Come. Let me pack my things. I'll back to your house. Look at nonsense. What do you mean like that?
Well done, you guys. Please, can I see your father?
My father is not around. Huh?
I want to see your father, please.
I said my father is not at home.
You know, tell him. Shana, for the past 2 days now, he has not come back home.
Exactly.
Hey, whoa, my money, oh, please. Please, because of that money, that is why I came.
No, my father left. My father has not come back since 2 days.
What is happening here?
I've been 2 days.
Yeah.
Why is she crying now?
That's the only money I'm using to do my business.
When you were buying the clothes, did he tell you that the clothes belongs to my mother?
Please, madam. I didn't know it was because of the story he told me. That was why I bought the clothes.
Madam, imagine somebody brought clothes to you and you bought them. You bought them and you're telling me that you bought those clothes out of pity. Okay, the same out of pity. That is even the reason why we're even talking to you. The fact is that you should wait now when he comes back. You give you your money.
Please, because that's the money I'm using to feed my
please.
Do you want us to
all right, now it's okay. You can go when my father comes back. You come back and collect your money.
No problem, Santo. Out of pity, we are here to even talk to you.
Just go. We'll sit down, we'll talk about it, and then we'll come and see you.
Do something.
Don't worry. Just go ahead.
A real lazy man, na lazy man. Benji na real unaka, Nah, lazy man. Benji na real lazy man. Nah, lazy man. Benji na real loco. Nah, lazy man. You know fit walk. You know fit go to school. You know fit walk. You sit down the look. Monkey they walk, oh, baboon they chop, oh. Monkey they walk, baboon they chop.
Hey, 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 give him, give it.
Hey, hey, God has done his miracle once more. God has done his miracle once more. God has done his miracle once more. Hey, when God says yes, who can say no? Hey, money!
What do I do? I have to break it now.
Hey, hey! Hey, hey!
Hey, don't shout, oh. Don't shout. Don't shout, oh. Don't shout, oh. Wait, oh. Wait, oh. Don't shout, oh.
I'm emptying everything. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I return it. If it's too light, they will discover. Where can I get stone? Stone, too. Shoot.
And after this, I want to become a lawyer.
You're going to be a lawyer? I've always told you, I want to be a marine engineer. Huh?
See, if I become a lawyer, anybody that disturbs it, just come and report to me. So that I will say,
no, see, when I put on the uniform, man, this country will recognize me. I'll become an international figure. I'll be an international body. Hey. Don't mind.
I don't have to say what I want.
Go. Remember, the closing date is next week Monday.
Of course now. What is that? Let me put it.
Santoni. I must make it on 90 stations, nothing less than that. I must be the best winning machine. If I win, I'll beat Santos.
I say you beat Santos.
And I'll beat you. 90s now, you don't mean that.
Impossible.
See, well, last week it was 9,300. Last week is 9,300 naira. 330 naira.
You should be around 20 something now.
No, not 20 something now.
9,000.
It's supposed to be about 4,000.
No, it should be over.
Another 3,000, 2,800. Another about. Did you? Papa? Papa?
Papa?
Mama! Mama!
What is it?
Mama! Look at all. Look at all our sufferings. Why would we take all the whole risk? My future, my hope, my aspirations, Mama. Look at what my Papa did. Oh, this one I've been talking about. Just look at.
Is it fair?
Just imagine, Mama, all my sufferings, all my struggles, all my hopes, all my aspirations, Mama. Just... What will I do? I can't even register my SSC. Mama, just allow my ambitions. Mama, if it doesn't oh my God.
After stealing from my business money and selling my Hollandis and other valuables, as if that is not enough, he broke the safe where my children are saving for their SSCE exams. Elders, I have beared it enough. I have beared it and I will not bear it any longer. All I'm asking for is a divorce. Separation, so that he will go his way, I will go my way with what is left of our properties. And then I can take care of my children. Elders, this is all I have to say. Thank you, sirs.
Uncle Ben, you've heard all that your wife said. Yes. So, do you have anything to say? No. Don't you have anything to say?
No.
Don't you?
I say no.
You don't?
Do you want us to believe all what your wife said is all true? You?
You are a man, you have a right to believe or not to believe. But if I were you, let the words go like this and then bounce out. But you can't believe if you like.
Benji.
Njoko, 2 years get your Tom. Don't come here now. Njoko, eh?
You heard her?
Yes.
As the head of this house? Huh? Do you agree or object to her wish?
What a man has been looking for on top of the tree is suddenly found on the ground. Obro, good luck. Let us just do it here and now. No need beating about the bush. In fact, I've been praying for this for a long time. You have not. I'm telling you.
Brothers, you have had both of them. We know they are matured enough to know what is good for them. Now, as heads of this house, we are bearing witness to the divorce and the sharing of their properties. So, Benji,
Njoko,
you as the head of the house.
Yes, Njoko.
Choose first.
Thank you, Njoko. There's no point thinking about this. Out of all the property. Out of all the property.
Just choose.
Hollandis, money, mattress, the box containing trinkets. No me ever knows. Yeah, I told this one.
Uncle Ben.
You people should tell him. I said, you know what they get. You people should tell him.
If you come near me, I bet you. I'll destroy you.
You people should tell him.
You know I'm stronger than that.
You people should tell him.
There was an agreement. You are witnesses. Come here.
The case is settled.
My lovely wife and children, from the bottom of my heart, I apologize for my wrongdoings. I have been very, very, very irresponsible. The devil caused that. I promise you that if you forgive me from today, I will turn a new leaf. I will become a responsible husband and father, leader, advisor, guardian. You see, the world is a stage. All the money I stole from you, God kept them intact. The chunk of the money I wanted to give to a friend of mine, but before I got there, the police got him arrested. You see how God works? The money is still intact. First thing tomorrow, I'm going to retrieve that money. My issue is not the question of money, but the question of forgiveness. Please find a place in your heart, forgive me, and I will be a very responsible person. Forgive me.
Nai, I've forgiven you already. I don't have any reason to hold any grudge against you. We all have forgiven you. We are forgiving you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Ekete sherebone the ekete. Say your wish to the gods.
My name is Coach Ike. I am the coach and owner of Bandana Boys. In 2 days' time, I will have a very crucial match. So I decided to come here today with 2 of my key players, Uche and Michael, so that I can seek the support of the gods. Please, Baba, we need to win this match.
Ekete sherebone the ekete. Ekobeje. You have come because the other team is stronger than your team.
Exactly, Baba. Their coach, Coach Mario, is very experienced and popular. He has 2 top strikers by name Santos and Pereira. They can tear up their enemies' defenses in just 2 seconds. Please, Baba, we need your help.
I am Miroza. Ekete sherebone the ekete. Ejo ala. Take this. They should rub it on their body before the match begins. You must make sure water does not touch it. Take this. Tie it round their waist before the match begins. Remember, none must be touched by water. They will play gallantly well, and you shall come out victorious.
Come together, the sun is up. Firstly, I want to thank you all for your state of fitness. You see, I am very confident that we will win this match. So, I want you all not to be nervous. Just relax and play well. On that day, our opponents, they are going to cry at their defeat. And we shall win. We shall do what? Win. We shall win. That's good. Now, all of you can go home and have enough rest. Eat well and get your mind set for tomorrow's great encounter. You hear me? Yes. Here, take this. Remember to rub it all around your body before the match commences.
Yes, sir.
Here, take this. You, take this. Remember to tie it around your waist before the match starts.
Yes, sir.
You hear me?
Yes, sir.
And one more thing. Remember what the Baba said. Water should not touch any of those things I gave you.
No, sir. No, yes, sir. Water will not touch it, sir.
Did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What did I say?
Water should not touch it.
I will soon do it to you guys, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, hurry up. Good boys. with that trophy. That trophy belongs to us.
This second half, we're going for counter-attack. And Pereira displays that guy, that boy.
Are we going home with the trophy?
Yes.
Are we going home with the trophy?
Yes.
So when they kick off for second half, I believe that will be the best time for you to make your selections for the best footballers that you want to pick. Thank you very much. It's really nice having you people around.
I'm actually enjoying myself.
Thank you very much. Just enjoy the game. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Game. I was really impressed by your quality and the skill you have put in your play.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I can see Coach Mario is really doing a very good job. And that was why you guys could be able to put up that splendid performance.
Thank you very much.
Well, do you want to take football as a profession?
Yes, sir.
Well, then you have to travel with me to Holland.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
These are the envelope which has the visa for you to Holland.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
So this is a cover celebration.
Thank you, sir.
Let me get some champagne, eh? Alright.
Santo, Pepe, Santo, are you not going for evening lessons? Stand up, stand up, stand up, get dressed and go for your evening lessons. What kind of sleep is this?
If you're talking about intelligent children, talk
Step for
about
lesson.
Santos and Perere. Oh, Santos Perere. Santos Perere. If you're talking about useful children, talk about Santos.
So this is a dream, Santo.
What is a dream?
Santo, this is a dream. Santo, do you know that we traveled to Europe? From Europe to Canada. From Canada to USA. From USA, we bought a sports car, red.
Symptoms of malaria. Never buy bicycle now, sports car I go buy. Come, let's go for lesson.
So, this is just a dream.
Santos and Perere. If you're talking about intelligent children, talk about Santos and Perere. Oh, Santos Perere. Santos Perere. If you're talking about useful children, talk about Santos and Perere. Santos, Santos, Santos Perere. When you're talking about genius in town, talk about Santos and Perere. Oh, Santos Perere. Santos Perere. Talking about brilliant children, talk about Santos and Perere. Santos Perere. Santos Perere.